I just changed the O-ring on the oil pickup on my 5.3. I'm about to start it. Kind of nervous because this could go very good or very bad, because there's pretty critical torque sequences and stuff, allegedly, according to the GM manual. We're gonna see if it blows up. See what kind of oil pressure we get. I was getting about 20, half that. If you have this is an 06 with 250,000, which it's kind of a lot. Staying right around that 40 mark. I'm gonna see if it's leaking. I haven't cleaned anything up yet. I made a hell of a mess. It doesn't sound that great, to be honest. I don't see it leaking. I mean, it's not pissing everywhere. I'll keep an eye on it. But yeah, I don't sound that great. It is still a little warmed up, so I'm gonna give it a couple revs and see what it looks like. I don't know, what is that about? 60? 65? It's never been that high. I mean, when I first got it, which was probably about 50,000 miles ago, I think it used to go up to about 45. That's it though. It never used to go above that. So it being 70 or whatever, that's pretty good. And that O-ring didn't even look that bad. I guess it was just squished enough. I'm kind of shaky. I feel like I got an arm pump holding that damn oil pan up for so long, trying to get the bolts in it. The lifters used to tick pretty bad. I put some Lucas in there because I had to drain all the oil out. I put 5 quarts of synthetic 530 and then 1 quart of Lucas. The lifters sound like they're a little bit quieter. The clearances aren't as tight as they used to be. So, but I mean, it sounds, you can kind of hear it still, but it sounds better. I'm gonna take it down the road here after I get stuff cleaned up and see what happens.